Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and it's really sad to say that this is my last video for the Gingerbread Christmas Collab 2020. I thought I had 2 more videos to do, but apparently not. So I wanted to share the last project for this collaboration. I want to thank Jamie, who is Poetspice here on YouTube, for allowing me to join in on the fun. This was a fabulous collab and I really enjoyed it. So let me share what I created. So I had these snow globes from the Dollar Tree forever, and I think I have 2 more of these, and this is one of them. And I've been meaning to do it, meaning to make a snow globe, and I just haven't had a chance to. So I sat down and I was thinking and thinking, and I had bought a whole bunch of things from the Dollar Tree, as you can see. Some of the miniature. I love this woman. She's a caroler. And then here's a snow fight. I thought that would be really cute to add to a snow globe. So these are really, really cute, and I would have to say that this is like my favorite. Isn't that cute? I think it came in a set of 3. So it's not the best quality, but when you're putting it in a snow globe, it'll be fine. So this one is a white Christmas tree with pink ornaments, and I added the smallest of the 2 of these Christmas trees to this one because it is taller. No, it's not taller, but the base is down lower here, so it gave the tree a little bit of room. I added the pink eyelash trim from the Dollar Tree. These are all glass beads on the Christmas tree. These snowflakes, I believe I got this at Target because it had the packaging was the Target packaging, so so it had to be from Target. I thought I had some of those little foam balls from Dollar Tree, but I couldn't find them. Okay, so I added some ribbon to the top. This is Michael's ribbon. And on the bottom, and I made a bow. I really like how this one's really cute. It's an ornament, so you can hang this on your tree, or you can hang this on a package, and it will be really cute on a package, actually. So yeah, so that's my first one. And then this one is super cute. Oh my gosh. So one of the miniatures had the truck and the camper. Now, I know everybody's loving the truck, but I just love this camper. It is so adorable. So I glued this tree and this tree. I think this tree is from Target, and the camper with E6000. So it won't go anywhere. I added some of that snow text, this stuff. I love this stuff. To the camper and on the ground here, so to show like snow drifts. And then, here's the shaker snow bits inside. And I just love how that turned out. And I also added it to the tippy top of the tree. And you can see these little, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Right there. Those are my lights. Okay, and then at the very top, I added some trim and some pearls. And then this little foam ball is from Dollar Tree. And it's from this pack. I finally found them. I just put it out last week. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm getting a pack. So I just cut it in half and added it to the top. And I just like how it gave the snow globe a little, um, top, because it was just one big ball, So I really love how that turned out. So these are my two projects for the last installment of the Gingerbread Christmas collab. So thanks everybody for, every Monday at 10 a.m. you came, you've commented, you watched my videos, and I so appreciate that. Stay tuned for a giveaway, and I will be giving away um, two winners. I'm thinking about giving one of each globe and something else. So stay tuned for that. It will be, I think, I'll try to get it done sometime this week or next week. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week. Go check out everybody's videos down below. I'll have everybody's links. It's so sad. I'm so sad. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.